Hello and welcome. In today's video, I bring you a very easy and quick bread recipe. This bread will be ready to be consumed in less than 4 hours, and I'll be posting the ingredients in the description below. And if you're new to my channel, another welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Let's jump right into the recipe. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast to a mixing bowl. Next, I'll be adding 1.5 cups of water that is at room temperature and slightly warm. 3 teaspoons of salt, and I'm using sea salt. Next, I'll be whisking all those ingredients together. Now I'll be adding 3 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour. I like to use a spatula to combine as much as I can before I switch to my hand. Now I'll make sure my hand is wet to finish combining all the ingredients. I'll cover it and let it rest for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm gonna do the first set of stretch and fold, and again, my hand is wet. I'll be rotating the bowl as I do the stretch and fold, and I'll be doing the stretch about 8 times. Next, I'll cover the bowl again and let it rest for additional 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, I'm going to do my second set of stretch and folds. Again, my hand is wet. I'll cover it one more time for additional 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, this is my third set of stretch and folds. And again, don't forget to wet your hand. And this is the last time that we're going to let the dough rest for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, we're going to do one more set of stretch and folds. And don't forget to wet your hand. Let's cover the dough now while we proceed to preheat the oven. That way our dough doesn't dry out. I have a 4.5 quarts cast iron Dutch oven that I'm going to be preheating together with the oven, and I'll set the temperature to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And once the oven has reached that temperature, I'm going to leave my pot there for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, please make sure that you're wearing your mittens to remove the pot from the oven. It's gonna be pretty hot. I like to sprinkle a little bit of flour on the bottom of my pot. I also sprinkle a little bit of cornmeal to isolate the dough from the intense heat. I don't want my bread to be too dark at the bottom. And now it's time to add the dough to the Dutch oven. But before that, I'm going to do the last set of stretch and folds. I like to dust it with just a little bit of flour. And you can use a knife or kitchen scissors to create a simple score. Next, I'm going to cover it with the lid and place it in the oven. And at this time, I'm going to reduce the oven temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to be baking my bread for a total of 45 minutes. 35 minutes with the lid on and the last 10 minutes uncovered. And when the last 10 minutes are over, my bread is ready, but it's not ready to be eaten yet. It has to cool down completely for at least 1 full hour. After 1 hour, if you don't like your bread to have some extra flour at the bottom, you can scrape it off with a knife. And here is our super easy and fast bread. Let's taste it. It looks amazing and it tastes even better. And I really like to have bread with butter, but you can have it with anything that you like. It is super spongy and airy. It's just delicious. This bread recipe is very practical because it allows you to have a bread in less than 4 hours and the same day. And I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others. I hope you have a fabulous and very blessed day. I'll see you next time.